In this video, I'm going to show you how to make shirts like this and like this. So I changed it up. What you want is, unless your part's going to be really big, you want it to be bigger detailed so it's easier to do. So this is what I'm thinking, because my mom likes roses, of course. And, maybe make it a little smaller so to make sure. And boom, there's my design for my mom's. Alright, uploaded the file, and boom, there you go. As you can see, it's not small at all. It's perfect, what I want. Looks really good. And I'll download that. Alright, so we're doing this again. Insert mesh, select from my computer, cool. Then we're going to link and export. Alright, grab it, put it in there into Cura. Oh wait, okay, Cura. I'm using Cura, that's just what I use for these printers. I press group because that works better. Then you scale it to your wanted size. I typically go on the smallest dimension besides the Z, 100. And yeah, that's about where I put it. The Z does not actually, oh crap, gotta turn the uniform off. Well, I gotta turn it back on to scale it again, 270. And then turn it off so I can get this to like 100 or something, so that it's a little bit more flat. But when you're doing this, you can put it down a little bit farther. Really, the bottom plate is only to keep it aligned. Then you slice it, you print, actually, before you slice it, flip it around like this. Boom. When you slice it, make sure. Alright, now that it's sliced, you can check. So yeah, sometimes it will overlap and like, but it will be fine. It won't be like a bad overlap. It will be a little different and look a bit different, but this one's perfect. It prints its first few layers and then it starts doing that. Perfect. The placement of this is kind of important to me. I want it to be like here. Right over the heart, which is normal to have it, so I figured out where that would be in relationships like mine. Now that I got a good one that is inverse and is the right model, I can finally do that again. But you need to put the shirt down first. I also replaced my brush with that really crappy one, with a less crappy one that has bristles and stuff, so yeah. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is that check for all everything to be nice. It looks great. This brush helped a lot, so I do recommend picking up one of these brushes if you are to do this. Alright, now that I let it sit for a minute, I'm gonna pick this up, move it out of the way, pick this directly straight up, and see what it did. So there, that's good. Alright, time for the real deal. But I'm gonna put a lot more black paint in here so I can actually get this unfold. But I only need to do this one, not the other one, because alright, now shoot, another big blob. Big blobs of this chunks of stuff will really get you. Alright, just gonna put it right there. I think that's good enough. And after you let it dry, if you use fabric paint, it can go through the washing machine and everything. It won't come off easily. That's pretty cool. So yeah, if you want to do that, you can do that.